What's going on, guys? Got this question of a tutorial, so I got you. Here we go.
All right, guys, so this song isn't that hard. As long as you make sure you're going with the beat. So, okay, so this is part one, right? Part one right here. So you hit A sharp twice, C sharp. Pretty easy. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that's part one. Now, part two. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you work your way down this way. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Make sure on your way going down the chords or notes, you hit this twice. Great. So now we got part one down. If you didn't understand, just rewind. You should be good. Now, after that, you go. So this is part two. So you start the same as part one. By the way, part one goes twice. You go 1, 2. Now the beginning of part two goes same as part one. Same as part one. Beginning, same as part one. But then you hit it again. And you go F. D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, boom. So you go. Pretty easy stuff. It's kind of a pattern, but the last part you just go, you hit it again. Make sure you hit it again, and you go F, work your way down. And then one more time, hit it again. Great. So now, this note progression here is pretty easy. You just work your way down. Okay. Every time I hit this A sharp, you hit this one of these notes. Okay. And now for the last one though, last one's a little different, but yeah. So we'll figure it out. So, anyways, it goes boom. So it goes bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. So this last D sharp, it's a little different, but I'll explain it when it comes to it. So yeah. All right. Here's a little sneak peek, if you will, of the song, of what I just taught you guys. So it goes like this. Ready? Boom. So the last D sharp's kind of tough. You can really hit it whenever, as long as it's with one of these ending notes, just kind of to end it. But yeah, pretty easy stuff. It's just all about finding the pattern, and like you don't have to do the same note in a different octave, but I like to do it because it gives it like, well, it makes it louder, and it makes it like, you can also make it deeper as far as the bass notes go. Alright, you get the point. Like this video, and follow, and comment if you want more tutorials. I'm thinking about doing some tutorials to help you guys out. But yeah, like this video and comment, do whatever, and song suggestions. I appreciate it. Alright, I'm out. See you guys later. Bye.